Okay, now. I can't see it. Whoa. I can't find it. There's too many clouds, Dad.
You too high?
Whoa. Yeah, that's good.
I'll bring it a little lower. Try to.
I can only see a speck. Whoa.
This thing sure flies really good. Glide it by.
Where is it? There it is. Okay.
I know, I got lost in it for a second too. There it is.
Where?
I'm gonna go real high.
I can't see it.
Hold on, I'm bringing it really closer, and then I'll go straight up with it, okay?
Where is it? Where? Whoa! I can't find it. Where is it?
Way up there.
Oh, there it is. Okay. Kind of.
Bring it straight down for a dive.
Dad, your head's in the way.
Is that a raindrop?
Oh, no.
Yep. They're not night flying. See how soft they are. It's only seconds of it's flown this thing.
Where is it?
Coming in right out. Okay, you're good.